Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. First way is really simple. In the search bar and type Virus and Threat Protection. Once you're there, go into Manage Settings below the Virus and Threat Protection settings. From here, you can turn off real-time protection and also cloud-delivered protection. This will disable Windows Defender temporarily. If you want a more permanent solution, here's another method. In the search bar again, type Run and then type in Regedit. Click Yes when the prompt appears. Inside the registry editor, expand HKEU_local_machine, then expand Software, scroll down to Policies and then open Microsoft. Scroll down and find Windows Defender. Right-click on Windows Defender, select New, and then choose DWORD 32-bit value. Name it exactly Disable Anti-Spyware with the same capital letters and no spaces. After that, right-click on it, go to Modify and set the value data to 1. Click OK to save. Now restart your computer and Windows Defender will be disabled permanently. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video. For more tech tips, subscribe the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.